Merry Christmas and welcome back to the workshop. In this video, we would like to invite you to the Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway live stream.
That will take place on December 16th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern. I will put a link down in the description so that you know exactly where to go. So make sure to set your alarms, write it in on your calendar.
So, what is the Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway? Well, we give away all sorts of items to you out there, our community, the blacksmithing community, our family, our friends out there, in order to take and give back. That's the big thing. That's what it's all about. Jessica and I, we feel immensely blessed. I feel always around this time of year, I feel an overwhelming sense of being unduly blessed in my life. And so I like to give back to those who have supported us throughout the whole entire year. What does that support mean? Viewership, donations, shouting us out around town, right? People who just generally write us nice notes and things like that, saying, hey, I like what you're doing, keep it up, you know, that sort of stuff. We love giving back because you guys give and pour out so many blessings upon us. We like to do the same thing. And slowly but steadily, this has grown every single year, hasn't it, honey?
It has indeed, yep, every single year.
Yeah, so it's grown from just a few little handmade items that I had on hand to making a whole bunch of handmade items, to being able to purchase a bunch of items from other makers and give them away, to having companies donate big items to us to be able to give away. And we're talking, you know, some stratosphere type items that sometimes, you know, you starting out wouldn't be able to maybe touch with a 10-foot pole to begin with, but we're able to take and give those away completely free of charge, right? Because we have some awesome donators to the channel and that allow us to be able to do that, you know, and so it's just overall, it's a really great time, and I really hope that you all will join us for that.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, so a lot of the items this year are going to be blacksmithing tools. We have a few handmade items in the mix as well. Just a quick disclaimer, all of the really large items are going to be US only, but all of the smaller stuff like tongs, hand tools, etc. are open worldwide. So we invite all of our international friends to join us as well, because you'll have a chance to win things too.
Yeah, unfortunately we can't do the gigantic items and ship them overseas. It costs us like 20 grand to do so. So, I know I exaggerate, but it feels like 20 grand sometimes, huh, when we get that shipping bill.
Right.
But, you know, you can still join in, you might still win some handmade items, and if you have no interest whatsoever in winning items, it is a really fun time, isn't it, honey? In the comments section, everything is just flying. I'm usually jacked up on like 150 milligrams of caffeine, like an hour.
The mega thermos.
I've got like a mega thermos. I don't even have it out here.
1 gallon.
And so, yeah, as the night drives on, I get a lot funner with my coffee addiction. But it's usually a blast. It's just a really fun time and a great way of celebrating the year and winding down what the whole year was, and just being able to give back, like I said before. So we really, really encourage you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, because how else will you know when we go live?
That's right.
Right? You won't know. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications, so this way you are notified as soon as we go live. And right now, at this point, this year, I'm going to have to, we already calculated it out, in order for us to keep within our 2-hour window during this Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway live stream and give away one tool. We're going to have to give away one tool every 5 minutes.
Yes.
One tool every 5 minutes.
You'll want to attend as much as possible.
Yes, you'll want to attend as much as possible.
Chances of winning.
Yep, exactly, to increase that. So, God bless each and every last one of you. Thank you so much for your support in watching this channel throughout the whole entire year. I hope that you all have a very Merry Christmas, very happy holidays, and however you choose to you know, celebrate the season. I hope it's filled with lots of feasting and Thanksgiving. And we will catch you at the Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway live stream. God bless you all.